everyone, I'm so excited to announce our next HVAC and controls workshop slated for May 4th and 5th in Sacramento. At this workshop, you're going to learn about the energy and moisture balance of your indoor plant environment, whether it's an indoor grow or greenhouse. You're going to learn about psychrometrics, vapor pressure deficit, how to pick the best HVAC system for you, as well as how to do HVAC load calculations. We're going to take a deep dive into controls and sensors, which I know many of you are challenged with at your facility. This workshop is super interactive. We do group activities and a lot of hands-on learning, which is why we like to do it in person. This workshop brings a lot of people from the industry who want to advance their knowledge on these topics, including growers, manufacturers, vendors, contractors, other engineering design professionals like myself who really want to take a deep dive into these topics. We're really excited because we're going to be doing it here at the historic Delta King with the Tower Bridge behind us. We're on the waterfront in Sacramento, and there's a lot of shops and restaurants that you can explore while you're here. We have early bird pricing until April 1st. If you want to learn more about the workshop and how you can register, please check out www.drgreenhouse.com/workshops. We hope to see you there, May 4th and 5th in Sacramento.